Hi, good morning, friends. Preparing my world's number one breakfast, which I'm taking regularly. Uh, Taking the soya milk, around 250 ml, around 250 to 300 ml soya milk, adding nutritious shake mix, banana flavor, 3 scoop, 1, 2, 3. My personalized protein, 1, 2, 2 scoop. Okay, and this is the mixture. Just put it in my shaker cup. Shake it for 15 seconds or just half a minute. Taking my food tablets, a multivitamin, as well as this is the one thing which keeps you younger, and it's an anti-aging tab which I am taking regularly. Okay, with this I'm taking this. Wow, what a taste. See you guys.